YouTube, welcome to another video of Like It Build It. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy screwdriver stand, which is another addition to my DIY workbench, quick and easy DIY workbench. So let's get started. You're going to need a PVC pipe, some screws to hold it in place, onto the workbench, some drill bits and a drill. So first mark two holes at two ends, 1 inch from each end. Yeah, so like 1 inch apart, 1 inch apart, and you drill a hole there. I'll do that and get back to you. Okay, I've drilled the holes and yeah, I'm happy with them. So now you're just gonna need to get a bigger bit and drill holes randomly wherever you want them. You can equally space them. How many of our screwdrivers you plan to hold on this? Just drill the amount of holes. Yeah, I'll do that and get them. Okay, so I have drilled my holes. So let's see if any of my screwdrivers fit in there. Which they will. So boom. They fit in my very nicely. So as you can see, it works for like all types of drivers. So yeah, so I'm pretty happy with it. Now to mount it about there, I'm gonna drill only drill holes in the pipe, I'm gonna drill holes in the table and get back. And I'll mount it on the table. Okay, so guys, I have mounted it onto my table and it looks good. So yes, as I was saying, it's turned out pretty nice. Bigger, smaller, just whatever size you just fit my watchmaker anywhere, right? I can't fit this tester right now because it's a little tiny, like it fits but not nice. So yeah, I'll have to make a bigger one for that. And yeah, so the other thing is this tool rack that I made that holds my pliers and a bunch of other stuff as well. I haven't posted a video on how to make it. I will very soon. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time.